occasions in the past, I have not hesitated to point out lacuna in the action of the president. Election issues that we are now facing are concerned. The president has proved beyond reasonable doubt that he will want to leave a legacy of free, fair, transparent, and credible elections. Until last Saturday night, February 25th, 2023, the good and noble plan and preparation for the elections seem to be going well. For the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, a lot of money was spent to introduce bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, and the server for immediate transmission of results from polling units. It is no secret that INEC officials at operational level have been allegedly compromised to make what should have worked not work and to revert to manual transmission of results, which is manipulated and the results doctored. The chairman of INEC may claim ignorance, but he cannot fold his hands and do nothing where he knows that election process have been corrupted, and most of the results that are brought outside BVAS and server are not true reflection of the will of Nigerians who have made their individual choice.
A senior advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, has called